Welcome to Magitudes. Here's how to add video tracks in Premiere Pro. First of all, let me drag and drop a random video file here from the project window inside of the timeline. Now, as you can see, what happens is the video will automatically be put on video track 1 here, and the audio will be put on audio track 1. Also, Premiere Pro added 2 blank video tracks, namely video track 2 and 3 here, and also it automatically added 2 blank audio tracks, audio track 2 and audio track 3. Now, to add video tracks, all you need to do is make a right click here next to the video track and then select Add Track. Like this, an additional video track will be added immediately. If you need even more video tracks, you can simply redo that process here and yet another video track will be added on top of video track 4. This is the easiest way to add video tracks in Premiere Pro. Instead of right-clicking here next to the video tracks, you can also go to Sequence here on top and then just choose Add Tracks. Now, if you would like to add video tracks before video track 1, you can also do that by simply right-clicking here in that zone next to video track 1. And then go to Add Tracks. Now in the pop-up menu, decide on how many video tracks you would like to add, and then for placement just choose before first track. Also make sure that audio tracks here is set to 0 in case you just want to add video tracks. Once that is done, all that is left for you to do is to click here on OK. And you will see that you now have a blank video 1 track and our actual video is now on video track 2. Now, last but not least, if you do have a lot of video tracks in your project, you could also use a keyboard shortcut to add video tracks to your project. To get to your keyboard shortcut, simply select Premiere Pro here from the top bar and then click on Keyboard Shortcuts. Now in the search field here, type in Add Video Track. And you will see that under Application here, we got a command called Add Video Track. Now to get a nice little keyboard shortcut, you can simply add this command to a specific button on your keyboard. Now, if I would like to have the Add Video Track command on the letter P of my keyboard, all that is left for me to do is to actually drag and drop Add Video Track to the letter P here, then just let go and click on OK. Now, whenever I press P on my keyboard, an additional video track will be added immediately. That's it, guys. All you need to know about adding video tracks in Premiere Pro. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.